Are you struggling with website design? Discover the easiest way to create professional websites without having to have any tech experience at all. Effortless website creation is here with GoHighLevel's powerful templates. Imagine having a stunning website that attracts your ideal customers, showcases your brands, and generates leads for your business, all that you can have created in under 30 minutes. It might sound too good to be true, but stay tuned and watch this video, and I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this very simply and easy through GoHighLevel. Now, we're going to get started with GoHighLevel. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough here shortly and walk through how to find the website part in general. Then I'm going to explain the importance of having a professional website, and we'll do a quick overview of all the different stuff that's available inside the website part from GoHighLevel and its benefits. So if you're sitting in your GoHighLevel account right now, you'll go over here to sites, and then you click on sites, and then you can create or hit websites right here. So then you'll hit websites and you'll do a new site. And so I'd recommend at least getting started if you don't have any experience or you just don't want to have this large learning curve, literally just going and doing this. And let's just say you're a roofing company and you want to go ahead and kind of like this feel of it. And you want, okay, I think this is what we want to do. From there, you go ahead and you literally click add template. And as this template is getting added, you are ultimately going to get a foundation of a website that you can turn and literally have it be the website for your company. As we're getting all this stuff, of course, you're going to come in here, right? And you're going to add your logo. You can literally click on the logo specific stuff. You can come in and change literally whatever it is that you want, from bold text color to italics text color, all of these different things. Very, very simple and easy for you to be able to do it. So I can go in here and I can literally change my logo to any one of these pictures that I've already previously uploaded. And I'm good to go. If I want to come in and I want to change this, do any sort of stuff there, super simple and easy. And the best part is it has so many of the functionality pieces that you would get on any other website builder, from SEO meta to everything with the background, like all the custom things that you would want to be able to do, you can do it here. Now, if you've ever tried building your own website on certain platforms, it can be super complex. And there's pros and cons to every platform that's out there. But of all the platforms that offer a done, like basically a DIY model that get you a result that looks like this is honestly the best one that's out there. And so you can select, again, your template based on your industry and business. And you can go through and customize the entire site. You can add new sections. If you have like crazy different things that you want to do, if you want to add like literally anything at all, you can do it with like a click of a button and go in here and do all of these different section templates. You can add in your social media icons. You can do really whatever it is that you want to do or could do on any other website builder, you can do it with this. And so as you're like getting ready, you're like, okay, this is the website. I built it all. I've changed it all. I've done all the stuff, right? You can literally get your website saved, published, and launched very, very quickly. So you can preview what it looks like in real time. So if you're like, hey, I want to understand what this is going to look like when someone sees it on mobile, you can literally see it right here. See how like clean those things look. Of course, you want to add your own branding, your own pictures, etc. But it's freaking phenomenal. And then you go to publish, and then that's where you connect the domain name, which we'll talk about in a different video. But there you go. Website design and development does not have to be complicated. Templates make it easy, and GoHighLevel allows for so many options and their features to help drive you results. If you're curious to see how this works, click the link below for a free trial. You'll get a 30-day trial with extended bonuses and personal branding bonuses that will help you drive more business. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And remember, authority is not built overnight. It's built over time.